Curiously, this dish called Mongolian beef is from Taiwan and is offered in many Chinese restaurants in the United States. These are thin slices of marinated beef that go through a brief first cooking, then coated in a sauce in a second very quick cooking. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the meat. Cut the beef into thin slices of half a centimeter. Cut perpendicular to the fibers to obtain tender meat after cooking. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 egg white, mix. Then put 40 grams of cornstarch. The egg whites and the starch will form a protection around the pieces of meat. When frying, they will keep their juice, their flavor, and they will remain tender. Let them rest at room temperature while preparing the other ingredients. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 tablespoon. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Put them with the grated ginger. Cut 1 fresh chili into chunks. This chili is very fragrant. Cut 3 green onions into sections. Now make the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 teaspoon of black rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 10 centiliters of water. Combine. Preheat the frying oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Before putting the pieces of marinated meat in the oil, separate them from each other. Put half of the meat in first to prevent the temperature of the oil from dropping sharply. Stir to prevent them from sticking together. Fry them for 1 minute and 30 seconds while stirring. We can see they are tender. For the final cooking, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan heated to high heat. When the oil is hot, put the grated ginger and the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, put 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir for 10 seconds. Mix the seasoning sauce and put it in the pan. Turn to medium heat. Stir for 40 seconds. Add the beef and the fresh chili. Stir for 15 seconds. Finally, add the green onion. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. We love eating this Mongolian beef with a bowl of rice and sauté vegetables. Today, it's a zucchini. Bon appétit! This dish is appreciated for the texture of the pieces of beef. They are tender, but they have kept a certain consistency, and they are also very tasty. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.